ride, though.
Not your expenses.
I didn't realize you could go up and down.
Take a picture of you inside.
Oh, Goofy.
In just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
What's going to happen? All the way up and then
No, I don't get it.
you like drop, and then you go up again, and then you
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story on the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Exposed. They know exposed. They know exposed. I'll leave mine.
I said so cute.
We lost that.
What? Don't scare me like that.
Like it's already around the same, but it's not like any better. You know, like it's not like where you at?
Party at 1, yeah. I'm a. Okay. All right. Number 4? Okay. All right.
Welcome everyone to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Shortly my service elevator will be dropping in, picking you up, and taking you to your rooms. Once it's arrived, which it just has, I'll be calling the number of rows on the floor for you to enter. If you sat down, please take your seatbelt, buckle it from left to right only. If you have any luggage or loved ones you'd like to keep at the end of the journey, hold on to it tight and put it on the floor. Row 6, top left, please. Row 6, top
For
left.
your safety once on
Row
board,
5, top right.
please remain seated with your seatbelt
Middle left,
fastened,
please. Row 4, middle left.
keeping your hands, arms, feet,
middle right,
and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise you through
Middle left. All right.
Oh, excellent. Arms up, everybody. Arms up. Yes, arms up. Huh! Just kidding. Arms up. Wave your last goodbye. All right. Yes, if you need anything, just read your eyes.
You're with the passengers in a motion coming to your very own episode, The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator in one night. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please, do come back and see us again.
Oop.